you for the introduction. As I say, my name is Francesca, and I'm a principal investigator in the Smart Eyewear Lab in EssilorLuxottica. So we recently founded this laboratory, which is in collaboration with the University Politecnico di Milano. We're working together towards research on smart eyewear from a computer vision perspective. And today we're going to see a little bit of what is ego vision, which are going to be the challenge that are currently in the embedded vision, and the benefits of ego vision in smart eyewear, and some possible application that we've been focusing on. And then some conclusion future work, and if you have any question, I'm open to reply to them. So first of all, what is ego vision? So I don't know how many of you know about this kind of terminology. So ego vision, it practically means that everything that is recorded or visible from the point of perspective of the user. So imagine I'm wearing the glasses, and at the moment, like, I don't know if you know Ray-Ban Meta, it is kind of an example of a smart eyewear, and it has a camera. The camera will have the perspective of the person that is wearing the glasses, and it will record the full scene that it is in front of the person. What we can do with ego vision, so for example, the good thing is that by enabling some kind of functionalities, my glasses could automatically recognize that I'm currently in a meeting, having a speech. So it could activate certain specifications, certain features, without me asking it to activate those. Or it could filter messages. So for example, you know, when we have the mobile phone, if I don't put it in airplane mode, then I will still getting the vibration of the messages. The idea with ego vision is that we can automatically enabling this kind of automatic filtering and features. So I will also not need to interact all the time with my glasses for taking a picture. So I will also be free of hands interaction. I could use them when I'm driving and so on. And also, in addition, we could also impair and help visually impaired people. So they can also be useful, for example, guiding people walking around the city and making them more independent.